Here's tonight's top 10 list. Let's go. Category tonight, it's an unusual category. Top 10 rejected themes. Here we go. These were considered and rejected.
These are
rejected
Of course,
themes.
the red carpet, that would have been accepted.
That would have been accepted.
Yeah,
These would be rejected. So here we go. Take it away. Number 10.
John Philip Sousa, Disco Party.
Yeah. Yeah. Number 9.
Tequila.
That's right. Number 8.
Music to mate by.
That's what I was talking about right there. Number 7.
Spoken word nursery rhymes by Stevie Nicks or Janis Joplin.
Yeah. Yeah, how about that? Number 6.
Foley Fun Days and other oxymorons.
Ouch. Ouch. Ah. Number 5.
Eagles songs with tequila in them.
So much. Here we go.
It's another tequila sunrise, staring slowly across the sky.
Oh, come on, do the Humpty Hump. Oh, come on, do the Humpty Hump.
Hey, wait a minute. I'm sitting right here. I heard that. Number 4.
How about some?
Stay in your little room in there, Tom. We'll call you if we need you. Number 3.
The greatest hits of Terry Jacks.
We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun.
There better be some songs with the words tequila in them, or I'm not signing up for this shit next year. Oh, that was good.
That's right. Number 2.
To hell with Randy Newman. We want more songs about tall people.
And the number 1 rejected theme.
The sounds of winter.
That's right. There you go.